Hello, let's solve this question. Find the gradient of the line joining these two coordinates. We have 3, 2 and 7, 10. We are also asked to find the angle of the slope. To solve this question, we're going to start by sketching these 2 points on a graph. Assuming this is the graph. Let this point be our y-axis and our x-axis. Let's pick a point on the graph. Let's pick this point. I'll call it point A. Let the coordinate be 3, 2. Let's pick another point. Let's call this point point B. Let the coordinate be 7, 10. If we join these 2 points together, we have formed our straight line. We are asked to find the gradient of this line. Another word for gradient is slope. Now, the slope is something like this. Now, at point A, 3 is our x coordinate. Let's call it x1. Y2 is our y coordinate. Let's call it y1. We can trace 3 on our x-axis and trace 2 on our y-axis. Now, point B, 7 is our s coordinate. Let's call it s2. And 10 is our y coordinate. Let's call it y2. We can trace 7 on our x-axis and also trace 10 on our y-axis. We are asked to find gradient. Now, gradient or slope is simply the change in y-axis and divide by the change in x-axis. That is, slope, which is this m, is equal to the change in y-axis, that is y2 minus y1, divide by the change in x-axis, s2 minus x1. Now, our y2 is 10 minus our y1 is 2, divide by our s2 is 7, our x1 is 3. Slope will be equal to 10 minus 2 is 8, divided by 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2. It means our slope is 2. We are also asked to find the angle of the slope. The angle of the slope is this angle. Let's call it theta. To find this angle, we are going to be using our trig ratio. And we are going to be using tan because this side is opposite to this angle.